We have an incredible recipe for healthy cheesesteak and cauliflower, stuffed bell peppers. We make it in our Instant Pot in our 32-foot fifth wheel. And that's me, I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Those are my two incredible kids hanging out with me in the kitchen. If you do find this show helpful, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share our video with your friends and family. If you're interested in the recipe, we have a link in this video's description just below this video, along with links to the tools and toys we use in our kitchen. Let's start it off by hitting saute on our Instant Pot. We'll add olive oil to our hot pot. Then we'll dump in 1.5 pounds of hamburger. Ours is a rescue from the bottom of the freezer. We'll brown it for about 5 minutes on saute, give it a good stir, and we'll brown it for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, we'll slice 1 head of garlic. After our hamburger is browned, we'll use an Instant Pot slow cooker lid to help us drain the fat from our hamburger. Now we'll season our hamburger with some chicken bouillon, some granulated onion or some onion powder, and a couple of shots of salt. 1 tablespoon of Worcester, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then we'll add our sliced garlic, along with a cup of water. We'll stir all of our ingredients together. Then we'll put our Instant Pot lid on. And we'll seal our pressure release valve, and we'll pressure cook for 10 minutes and a 10-minute natural pressure release. We'll slice a white onion and tear apart a head of cauliflower. We'll release the pressure after 10 minutes of natural pressure release and take our lid off. Ah, it smells amazing. Let's add our sliced onions and our cauliflower pieces to our Instant Pot. And we'll stir our ingredients well. We'll put our Instant Pot lid back on, and we'll seal our pressure release valve. Hit the cancel button and we'll pressure cook for 0 minutes, plus a 2-minute natural pressure release. We'll cut our favorite colored bell peppers in half and remove the seeds. Let's shred about 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. After our 2 minutes of natural pressure release, we'll drain the water that we've gotten from our cauliflower and any fat that was left behind. We'll make a healthy-sized mound of Philly cheesesteak and cauliflower. And we'll make a nice divot right in the middle. We'll set 1/2 bell pepper right in the middle of that divot. Then we'll add a handful of mozzarella cheese to our bell pepper. And then we'll stuff it with a large spoonful of our Philly cheesesteak and cauliflower. Throw some shaved Parmesan cheese on top and heat it up with some fire. Get that Parmesan cheese nice and bubbly. Oh, what a beautiful dinner. These Philly cheesesteak and cauliflower stuffed bell peppers have an incredible flavor. One of our favorite recipes ever, and one of our favorite ways to eat bell peppers. Thank you for watching our video, we appreciate it. And it's time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. And share our video with your friends and family. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description. It'll take you right to it, you can print it off and check out what else we have out there for you too. And we have some links to the toys and tools we use in our kitchen that makes cooking fun and easy. Thanks for watching everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.